So today we're going to unbox a canopy. It can be used as a carport canopy as well as a tent for parties, functions, funerals, etc. It's a 10 by 20 and it weighs approximately 57 pounds. This canopy was purchased from Amazon and I'll tell you the price as well as a few tips later on in the video. So, on the previous video, I set up the engine stand for taking out the engine. I said I did not have a carport. This is what I'm going to use as the carport to protect us if the rain comes down while we're working, right? And this is Campfire Fusion, right? It's a tent. What do you think? So, let's go. Hello and welcome back to Campfire Fusion. My name is Ryan. So, we continue in the series of videos where I will be setting up my camping vehicle. I'll be refurbishing the engine. So, in the previous video I would have mentioned that I don't have a carport and I'm going to get a tent to cover the vehicle, so if rain is falling we can continue the work, as well as being that the bonnet will be removed, inside of the engine will not get wet, as well as the engine on the outside. So this is what came inside the box. I'm gonna show you guys exactly the part, what it is, the name, individually. So let us do that. We have the incline bars. We also got some gloves, which is real good, right? Really appreciate that. We have here the horizontal bars. Over this side, we have the posts. These are the posts. Then we have pegs. The tools we have all in key. We have a wrench. We have some bolts, bungee cord, the elastic ball strap. We have some more bolts. And in here we have some nuts. Right here we have 3-way corner posts. And we have the canopy, which is really strange because I would have purchased the gray and this seemed to be beige. And on the end here we have our 4-way corner post, 4-way corner connection, that is. So these are all that came inside the box. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to lay it out and start putting it together. So you can stand by for that. Now on these bars we have some letters A, B, C, D, which makes it quite easy to set up. So for instance, right now we're running the horizontals. You need to place C first, then B, and I'll continue like this. So this is what it looks like so far, guys. It's not difficult at all. They said it take approximately 53 minutes. I'm gonna do it in much less time than that. Well, I'm not gonna say that, who knows. But it's going easy so far. So just let me continue going on and So guys, we're coming up to the last connection. I wish it was as easy as this to make a house. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Centered. Yeah. So in order to make the connections with these, we need a bolt nut, right? Place this inside, if I can find a hole. Run the bolt all the way through to the other side, if I can find a hole. Maybe the screw is too big. There we go. Attach the nut, get it in. Yeah, good. Ooh. Now we're going to use the Allen key, right, to secure the bolt on this side, and then use the socket on this side, tighten, and that's how we strengthen the base. Yep. So my friends, I finished setting up the carport canopy and it's looking so good. As you can see, this canopy, you can use it for basically anything. Not only as a carport, right? It has enough space for this here pickup truck, right? As well as even part of another vehicle to come under. You can seat 20 or more people under this here tent as well. This is a very, very nice canopy. The material is of good quality, right? Seems as it can serve me for even a good 6 months or more with the weather elements and all. So, tell me what you think, right? I hope this video had inspired you, right? And it was a really easy setup, really, really easy to set up. You know, it was very, very easy to set up. So, until next time, right? Ryan saying, thank you very much for joining Campfire Fusion. We continue setting up the camp mobile, right? We got the cover to protect us from any rain, and the sun is very hot, right? So next video we should be taking out the engine. Thanks much.